Big news this week, Bank of Canada just dropped their rates. Jordan, what's going on in the market?
Yeah, well, this should be great. And they've also signaled that they're going to do it more. Why might they do it more? Well, if the economy goes into disaster mode because of tariffs, they might continue to do it more. So is it good? Probably. If they continue to go down, does it mean it's bad?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. So bottom line right now, it's good. More people are going to qualify for ownership. Possibly some investors may come back to the market. Mm-hmm. So if you're in that space, you might want to start considering keeping your powder dry. Potentially there's going to be more demand. Mm-hmm. People might be coming back to the market as they've been waiting. Everybody's been waiting for mortgage rates to decrease.
Yeah.
So there's that. Now, along with that, you've got inflation that has been steady around close to 2%.
Right.
Another good marker.
Mm-hmm.
Unemployment remains pretty high, about 6.7%. So that's a bit soft. So, what is it saying? Well, potentially it's saying it may be a good time to buy because the market's still a little bit soft right now. Mortgage rates are coming. And if you are going to sell, we would be suggesting start to prepare perhaps to sell.
Yeah, you really want to think about that. You want to have a good plan in place if you're selling, right?
Yeah, we keep on talking about the same thing, and that is experienced realtor. And right now it's really important to strategize. Strategy is more important now than it ever has been.
Yeah.
Of course, the giant elephant in the room is what's going on down south, and hence why we're not telling people to buy right away if they have to sell, I should say.
Yeah.
If they have to sell, if they don't have to, they're just buying as their first time. It's a good time to be buying. Mm-hmm. But as of right now, it's looking positive. Mm-hmm. And let's face it, if we don't get bad news in terms of tariffs and Trump and all that stuff, this could be the point where it does trigger the market back a bit.
Right.
Right.
We're headed towards the spring market.
Yes. I mean, I've been putting a lot of people sitting to stay on the sidelines and wait and see what happens. As you guys all know, I'm a very cautious person. I'm a cautious investor, and I'm cautious with my clients. But I think if we get some normality there, the market will probably come back quite strong in spring. Why are townhomes coming back?
Right.
Yeah, what's going on there? All of a sudden, townhomes are hot, when traditionally they're kind of, after detached, semis, condos, they're kind of like the forgotten stepsister or something.
Yeah, they tend to be the bottom of everybody's list, right?
Yes, out of the wish list. Why do you think it's changed?
Now, I mean, I see them as kind of an interesting point in affordability between, your standard shoebox condo and your full house with a backyard. You kind of have this nice mixture with a townhome, right? Where sometimes you have amenities.
Yeah.
Some of them are taken care of, right?
Yep.
You might even get your driveway plowed or something like that.
Yep.
And you still get a good deal of space in them, compared to, say, a condo. And, you're not missing out on a lot of the aspects that a house has.
Yeah, they've always been the best bang for your buck, right? In terms of square footage and what have you. And I've always liked them. I personally think we might be overthinking this, and it's just that they're the closest thing you can get for size-wise that's under $1 million. We've got a lot of buyers right now that are looking right around that $1 million mark.
Right. Yeah, that seems to be a lot of people's number, right?
Right. And of course, until recently, it's not easy to find that. So maybe that's what it's all about. But we'll see if that trend continues.
Hope you found that hugely helpful. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Send us a DM. We'd be happy to chat with you about anything going on in the market. Thanks, and talk soon.
Talk soon.